Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you what is the red flashing light on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and you are having an issue of red flashing light on your iPhone, so let me explain. It's basically screen recording on your iPhone. You just have to tap on it to stop the recording, and if the problem doesn't solve for this, you just have to go for your settings app, and here go for privacy and security, and here go for camera. Here's the camera. You just have to tap on it and you have to disable these all apps, because it may be that these are all accessing your camera and there's a red light is showing. So after doing this, you just have to enable them again. It it will make a quick refreshment to your camera access, and after doing this you just have to make a quick restart your phone. So just go back, and here so you just have to follow a trick, which is quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until your screen be fully black and the Apple logo won't show. So just wait for it, and here you can see the screen has been blacked. Now wait for Apple logo, and now release the button and put your phone here. In this way you can easily fix the red flashing light on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.